Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on moments for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on my information authorizations, and you come here to next window and you just click here on system permissions, and you come to a next window here, then you just click here on storage, and you come to storage window, then you just click here on moments, and it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean moments it's turned on now for storage. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.